Oh, it's my Custom Cruisers, beautiful bit of kit. We've got some of these Zodiac mini cylinders. Okay, ZCP, Zodiac custom parts, beautiful little master cylinders. Okay, and we got to fit new inserts. Now you can see the gunge in this. I mean, fuck me. This is where some idiot decided to put .4 in a .5 system. Okay, it's hard to believe, but true. Okay, so basically what we got to do is get all the gunge out of here. You can see all this shit down there, or perhaps you can't, but we have. And then basically revamp the thing completely. Now we've bought the kit, which this is the old one. Here's the new kit, this. So that's the complete kit. Okay, then we're obviously going to rebuild it. Got the clutch and the brake to do. Okay, but you can see when morons use the wrong fucking fluid, all the rear brake was just the same. This has all been vapor blasted. I mean, look how beautiful that is now. That really is. If you'd have seen it before, it was unbelievably knackered. That's the only word to describe it. Absolutely wrecked. Just got to get a circlip back in on this. That's done. But this is a good example of how idiots work on bikes. It's fucking frightening, to be honest with you, that they've done this. But you can see all the gunge in there. It's absolutely shagged, for want of a better word. Okay, so if you keep an eye on this, is his Counts Customs chopper, which started off in the States, but unfortunately came over here, and the people who've had it haven't got a clue what they're doing, to put it mildly. Okay, if you want any of these beautiful master cylinders, they're not cheap. This one here, you can see the new switches that are going in. These are going to be all wired down through the bars. Very, very cool bit of kit. Okay, 01773835666, customcruisers.com, or the new site customcruisers.eu. Thank you.